Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Alice Yummy Food. Всем привет and labdien. Today I want to show you one of my favorite dishes ever, and it's so easy to make. It's basically lemon almond slices. They've got this biscuity almondy crust at the bottom, and then it's that creamy lemony custard filling on top. They are so good. You can keep them in the fridge, and every time you feel like you want a little treat, you can just go there, cut yourself a little slice and enjoy that with a cup of tea or coffee. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe, and guys, please subscribe to my channel. I want to reach 100,000 subscribers so much, and only I can do this with your help, and it means so much to me every time you subscribe. Click the notification bell so you're notified every single time I upload a new video. This way you will never miss out on my new recipe. Now let's get started. In a bowl, add your butter, which is softened, and icing sugar, and we're going to mix this for a good 5 minutes. While this is mixing, I'm going to prepare my tin, so spray it with some cooking oil and then add your parchment paper. We want to make sure that the side sticks out so that we can take out the cake quite easily. Once your butter is mixed in with sugar, scrap it around the sides and then add your flour and then add your almond powder. So these are just ground almonds, and we're going to mix everything together. So keep mixing it until the mixture becomes kind of all uniformed and sticky, just like this. And you can make a larger tin, a smaller tin, whatever tin that you have in the house will do. This just makes nice slices, which I really like. So add your mixture inside and then using your hands press down until you have even mixture. We're going to bake this for about 20 to 25 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. Guys and girls, you can find my full recipe on my website at aliceyummyfood.com. I will post the latest recipes on my blog, but you can also find a bunch of my older recipes. I've got over 500 recipes on my website, so make sure you check it out. Next, we're going to make lemon curd, so add your eggs with sugar in a pot. Then add lemon zest and also some lemon juice. And I'm using a strainer just to get rid of any bits that we don't want. Then you want to mix everything together with your whisk so that the mixture becomes nice and smooth and even. Stir the mixture gently but continuously until the mixture thickens enough to coat the back of a spoon. You can see if you put your finger through it, just be careful, it should leave a line. Once your base is cooked, then we're going to take it out and leave it to cool down completely. Then take your lemon curd mixture and sieve it through the strainer one more time and put it into a separate bowl. You can see there are still quite a few bits left. Then add your butter, which is unsalted, and mix everything together until the mixture is nice and smooth, just like this. Next, we're gonna pour our lemon curd mixture on top of our almond bake, and make sure you fill all the bits around and on top. You want to put it back in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes until the middle is quite jiggly. And you will be able to see when I shake it, just like this. It's quite jiggly, and we've got some bubbles on top as well. So this is perfect. We're gonna place this into the fridge until it's nice and set. This can take several hours. It's best if you can leave the cake overnight because it will set completely. I was quite impatient, so I decided to cut into this straight away as I was really tempted by the flavors. You can also add some icing sugar if you wish to decorate it, but the cake is quite tart, so it's not very sweet. It's perfect for those who love lemony desserts. So we're gonna cut off the first sort of sides, and you can divide this into 12 portions or so from this recipe, but you can even do smaller squares as you wish. And when I take this out, it's so delicious. You've got the lemon curd, which is so smooth. You've got the crunchy almond biscuit base. It's so delicious, guys. I absolutely love the flavors marching together, and the knife goes through really nice and easy. And you can see that the curd hasn't set 100% yet, but it will, trust me, in the fridge after a few hours. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe and you will make it for someone special. Please tag me on social media and check out loads of other recipes that I have. Thank you.